A promise is a big deal because when you keep your promise, you're fulfilling an oath. You're closing the loop on trust. You're holding up your end of the bargain. Maybe it's a promise to take your daughter out for a bike ride, a promise to take your wife out on a date, a promise to love someone forever. Now remember, keeping a promise is more than just holding up your end of the bargain. It's your ticket to doing something good for others. Now, nobody's perfect. We've all made promises in the past that we haven't kept. Promises to ourselves, to our loved ones, even to God.
Dear God, if you could just let him make one kick, I promise.
Dear God, if there's any way a puppy can come in a box, I promise.
But KeepThePromise.com isn't about what we haven't done in the past. It's more about what we can do today. KeepThePromise.com is a place to pledge our promises, to discover the power of promises kept, to bring us closer to God. So let's put that to the test. Visit KeepThePromise.com and pledge your promise, either publicly so that all of your friends can follow on Facebook, or privately. In exchange for your pledge, KeepThePromise.com will make a donation to the Central Virginia Food Bank. Every promise will feed one family.
So how does it work? You'll notice the Pledge a Promise area where you can enter your promise. Once complete, click the Pledge button. If you want, you can share your pledge through social networking and let everyone know you're part of the Keep the Promise movement. You'll receive a confirmation email to remind you of your pledge. That's it. You just fed a family.
Join us at KeepThePromise.com. It's worth your time, I promise.